Hi guys, I'm Joel, and today we are going to install a virtual machine and also install Windows Server on a virtual machine. So let's go. So first, let's search for a virtual machine. Okay, so we see Oracle Virtual Machine VirtualBox. Let's install it, download and install. Looking at, well, I'm using a Windows machine, so let's download Windows. And you can see it's downloading. Okay, so let's open this folder up. Alright. Okay. Let's go through installing. Next. I'm gonna say yes. We're gonna hit yes here and install. Alright, so that's it. Let's open it up and get started on installing Windows Server. Alright, so let's install the Windows Server. So we go at new, or you can click new here, and let's give it a name. So I'm going to name it Windows Server. Let's name it Windows Server 1. Okay, let's name it 2008 because that's the one I'm installing. I'm installing it on my drive, and here I'm going to select the ISO. Okay, now if you notice, you'll see it here if you install it before, but if not, you can go other. I'm going to bring up this window, which I'm on my desktop. So you can click Windows Server. Right, and you can select edition. We are going to go standard full installation. Then we can skip on it unattended installation and click next. Now I can give as much memory as possible, but not giving it more than you have on your system. So I am just going to leave it around there, and I'm going to give it at least 2 cores from my processor. So you can click next. 32 gigs is good. Maybe I'll just give it, okay, maybe 32 gigs is good. 32 gigs is good. Gigs. Okay. You can click next. Right, and you can see, double check, make sure everything you selected is there, and we can click finish. Alright, so before we power up our machine, go into settings. Alright, check through. The main thing we're looking for is to change our adapter to host only adapter. Then advance, allow all, and then click OK. Now let's power on the machine and see how it works. Alright. Okay. Alright, so Windows is booting up. Close this. Close this. Right, so I was now going to say, supposed to see installation, choosing of language, limit at English, is it Right, United States, click next, click install now. Okay, so we don't have a product key, so let's untick that, click next. Do you want to enter a product key now? So you say no. Right, another window should come up with selecting which Windows edition you want to install. So we're going with standard edition, and you're going to click that and click next. Right, terms and conditions, and you click here, accept them, click next, and then we're going to go custom. Right, and select the unallocated space, which is the 35 gigs I gave earlier. So we click next on that, and Windows will start installing. Should be fairly quick. I think Windows Server 2008 is a relatively small file compared to others, so it should be faster than others. I'm just gonna fast forward through this process until Windows is installed. Completing installation. Alright. Okay. And we are in. So we just set a new password, make sure I remember. Right, type it again. Hit next. Password is changed. Prepare your desktop. Alright, and we're in. We are in. Alright, that should be it for now. Join me in my next video when we continue going through or setting up Windows Server. Like, share, subscribe. Laters.